Assalamu alaikum, my sisters and brothers. As we witness the chaos of the world around us, from wars erupting in regions that were once peaceful, to the collapse of economies, moral decay, and increasing disobedience to Allah, many of us are beginning to wonder, are we living in the time just before the arrival of Imam Mahdi? Are we seeing with our own eyes the signs that our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, spoke about more than 1400 years ago? Let me be very honest with you. We are not here to declare a date or name a specific person and say, this is the Mahdi. That would be wrong. But as Muslims, we are commanded to reflect upon the signs, to observe what is happening around us, and to prepare our hearts and souls for the trials that come before the hour. Among these signs, none is more significant than the arrival of Imam Mahdi. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, told us, even if there remains only one day for this world to end, Allah will prolong it until a man from my family emerges. His name will be the same as mine, and his father's name will be the same as my father's name. He will fill the earth with justice and fairness, as it was filled with oppression and injustice. Let us reflect on this. The world is filled with injustice today, isn't it? We see Muslims suffering across the globe, in Palestine, Syria, Kashmir, and so many other places. The Ummah is divided, leadership is corrupted, disbelief is widespread. People are chasing after dunya and abandoning the deen. It feels as if we are drowning in a sea of confusion. In this environment, we are told that Imam Mahdi will emerge, a man from the descendants of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, who will not seek leadership, but upon whom leadership will be placed. He will not come with political manifestos or empty slogans. He will come with the truth. Many classical scholars said he will rise from Medina, travel to Mecca, and be recognized during Hajj. People will pledge allegiance to him at the Kaaba. In some narrations, this will happen after a great dispute or the death of a leader. Could this be something we might witness in our lifetimes? Allah knows best, but the conditions of the world are certainly beginning to resemble the descriptions in our sacred texts. Some may ask, how do we know it is near? How do we know it could be 2025 or sometime close? While we can never state a definite year, the pace of world events has accelerated drastically. We now see how artificial intelligence, global surveillance, financial control, and social manipulation are creating a system perfectly suited for the rule of Dajjal. And before Dajjal comes, the Mahdi must appear. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, told us that Imam Mahdi will fight battles and be victorious. He will unite the Muslim Ummah. He will lead with justice. He will establish true Islamic governance, not the corrupted forms we see today. He will never compromise the truth for fame, money, or power. One of the most powerful signs that we may be close to his time is the increasing number of young Muslims around the world returning to the deen. They are questioning the materialism they were raised in. They feel the emptiness of a dunya without Allah. This awakening of the heart, and especially among the youth, is a beautiful precondition for the arrival of the Mahdi. It is also reported that the Mahdi will restore the strength of the Ummah. He will stand against the tyrants of the world, and his emergence will not be silent. It will shake the earth. Armies from the east will march under black flags to support him, and those who oppose him will face humiliation. Now ask yourself sincerely, are you ready? Are your actions aligned with the people who would support Imam Mahdi if he appeared tomorrow? Or would we be among those who ignore him, doubt him, or even unknowingly oppose him? We must purify our hearts now. We must remove arrogance, ego, and love for this temporary world. My sisters and brothers, time is not guaranteed for any of us. If indeed we are close to the era of the Mahdi, whether in 2025 or soon after, our responsibility becomes even greater. Allah has placed us in these times with wisdom. We are not here by accident. We are witnessing the build-up to events our Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, described in great detail. The question is, will we be ready when they unfold?